don't think it's arcing. So obviously it's not arcing, but... Dare I do it? Go away. Back up.
Don't you think you should take off the rest of them? Huh? The rest of the lighters?
Uh-oh.
What's going on in there?
That thing is gonna light up, like, more than it is already. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Fine, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Since when does aluminum foil light on fire? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. We're good. That thing is scaring me, though. It's still hissing. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. What? Interesting, interesting. Did we blow off one of the anodes? Nice.
It's an awesome sound.
That is red hot. Come here, you gotta see this.
It's not flashing on air. It smells really bad.
That is burning glass in there.
Yeah, it is. Well, it was making a lot of different colors before, though, wasn't it? On
Yeah.
his face, it looked like different
Now it's just
colors.
burning the glass. Alright, I think that's enough for that one.
What's turning that around?
The turntable.
Yeah.
Or you put the turntable in there.
Oh. Don't breathe that in. We need some tongs.
Oh, cute. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Alright, I guess you guys can go now.
It's burning glass for you.
You guys are Looney Tunes.
Are you recording when you're walking?